stood quiet and asked me, could you speak to you in private?
You acting like a fool. You know these fools that we have in school. Think y'all cool. You walk in these halls with them dark tools.
Statue laces and chalk-color speakers. I stood like a man when I dressed in my teacher. Why don't we speak about the wisdom of the sages and how they grew up black out in the dark ages? And when they got light, then they walked off the pages. In the Inquisition, while was Christians going to cases. Why when they tried to destroy the nation with the mercy control, the rank control, back in the class with my hand up. 2 hours of liberty, guards grab my man up. Lying about the Indians, trying to grapple with the story of Columbus and great numbers. All you see that came from us. I learned about God and tagged on the logo on the book margin. And just like a New York riot, you stood quiet and asked me, could you speak to me in private?
You acting like a fool. You know these fools that we have in school. You know these things? Think y'all cool. You walk in these halls with them dark tools.
Oh my God, round 2, Joe Cool. Games of these battles.